So what I have on screen is the USD Swiss franc. I've already done up my labeling, so this should be fairly quick. Now, I'm looking at this move down here and counting it as a 5 waves down. So this could either be a wave 1 or a wave A. After that, we have what looks like a 3 wave count upwards, a move down, and another move up. What I've done is I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement for the move of wave 1 or wave A. And next, I'm going to do a few more Fibonacci levels. First one I'm going to do would be an extension of this wave here. That will give me an estimated price target. This is clearly not wave 2. Okay. Now, so this will be my first wave downwards. And then now we have this wave here, which could be a wave A of a smaller degree, or wave W. This would be my wave X, or my wave B. And I'm going to count this, in fact, as a complex correction. Okay. So the first thing that I have, this would be my wave W. This would be a wave X. And of this wave X, this would be a wave A, B, C. Okay. So this is the first Fibonacci projection that I have using wave W. I'm going to do another Fibonacci projection using my wave A. Okay, you'll see that there's a price projection here, and there is starting to be a few convergence over here right now. The next thing that I'm going to do is to do a reverse Fibonacci price projection. Same with A. So you can see looks very messy right now, but you can see that there is a cluster over here. So what I've done is I've drawn this red box here that tells me that the price cluster is over here. And this price cluster occurs between the 38.2 and 23.6% Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay. Now I'm just going to remove all these lines so that it doesn't look so messy. Right. So that would be on a daily time frame, the region that I'm looking to reverse. So now I'm going to move down to the 4-hourly time frame. Okay. On the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that the wave A looks fairly impulsive. I'm going to count this as a 5-wave up, which means that my wave Y is going to be a zigzag. That means that this move here on my right should be a 5-wave move, which is quite difficult to count. Going to be a 5-wave move over here, and I'm going to expand on this range over here. There you go. Now, obviously, this is 4 hours is actually too broad a time frame. I'm going to scale down. Okay. On the 1 hourly, this is my wave count. I've counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1. This would be A, B, C for wave 2. And this entire move up would be a wave 3, corresponding to the peak on the awesome oscillator down below. This would be wave 4, and now comes the complicated wave 5 that comes next. Okay, for the wave 5, I'm counting it as a wave 1, 2, 3, and this area here looks very much like a complex correction. Again, okay, so what I'm going to do is to drill down this area here. I'll go down to the 15 minutes chart. Okay, so this is the region that I'm looking at, wave 3 onwards. There we go. For the wave 3, this is help. Okay, I'm looking at complex correction. I'm going to count this whole move here a wave W, this move here a wave X, and then we're looking for a wave Y coming down. Okay. Now, if we take this as an orthodox peak or orthodox top, this move down here actually looks fairly impulsive. And we'll zoom in. There we go. I could count, in fact, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to count this as a zigzag. And for the move up, I'm going to count this as an A, B, C for my wave B. Looking at the wave C, sorry about that. Looking at the wave C, we have a wave 1, 2, 3, what looks like a 4, and we may be looking at a wave 5 going upwards. Now as this box here that we see, again I'm going to do some Fibonacci levels. This would be wave 1. Sorry, wave 1 projected on wave 4. There we go. This will be wave 1 to 3. Again projected on the bottom of wave 4. Okay, now this being orthodox top means that this move A, B, C would in fact be close to a expanded flat. And the relationship of expanded flat from its wave A should be an extension, right? Okay, and finally, this whole thing should retrace this wave down here. Now, if wave A is in fact a 5-wave move, any retracement above that goes up should not exceed this level here at 93.06. So, looking at these lines here, I'm anticipating that the price levels would be somewhere around this line here, which is 93.05, and this line here, which is 93.02, which is essentially a very, very small range to look at. So using this mode of counting, I am expecting prices to move up to the region here to complete my wave C of B. Now, if wave C of B is completed, we need another wave down to complete wave C. So, if I may be as bold as to do a projection, it should be something like that. Now, how far will it go? I'm not sure, but don't expect it to go too far down, because once it completes the wave 4, it now has a wave 5 to complete before it continues what I think would be a fairly large down move. So, well, this is what I think about the USD Swiss franc at this point. Only time will tell. Let's wait and see. So, good luck with your trading. Goodbye.